guys, so grabe ang hangin dito. Pa-check out na kami. Dito kami nagstay. Yan sa Mesa Tierra Garden Residence. Ito yung poolside nila. Maganda siya, hindi siya masyadong malalim. And malinis din. So, umaambon na. So, dito na kami mag-check out.
Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog.
So, maganda dito. And affordable lang. Bet ko dito, if magstay kayo sa Davao, highly recommend this kasi affordable lang siya. Pwede kayo makaluto sa sa condo. Maka-save kayo. Meron kayong event, ganun. May coffee shop, may order ka.
Wait a minute. Ayan lang. You can go upstairs.
Try natin. So, meron silang coffee shop. And meron ding kainan sa labas na malapit. Fairness, maganda siya. Ito, sa baba lang to sa Mesa Tierra. May coffee shop sila. Kung meron kayong event dito sa Davao, gahanap kayo ng affordable pero maganda, highly recommend this condo kasi pwede kayong makapagluto and doon makasave kayo, or kung gusto niyo makasave ng time, pwede naman kayong lumabas, diba? Kasi yung sa amin, nag-ano na lang kami, kumain sa labas kasi pag magluto pa kami, masasayang na yung
Again for another visit.
How was your experience here in Mesa Tierra?
Yeah, it was great. So, baka summer, balik ulit tayo dito kasi maganda yung ambience, tapos mahangin, hindi mainit, so cool for summer chilling. And then, meron din silang mga rice meals dito sa sa cafe. So, and then, malapit lang yung mga food areas dito, so you could enjoy going to Davao City. Just drop by Mesa Tierra and then enjoy your stay here.
And affordable lang, di ba, yung ano?
Yes, very affordable po yung price.
Sa Mesa Tierra ba is mas affordable siya compare sa ibang condominium dito sa Davao?
Yeah, that's right. I feel like I'm home when I'm here. It's cheap, but it's worth the price.
Yeah, high quality naman.
And then we're so thankful for our sponsor here. Nagpunta kami dito sa yung may-ari ng condo unit, so thank you for accommodating us, and then the staff are very friendly, and then the security guard are also very friendly as well, so
Yeah.
highly recommend it.
So bye guys, that's all.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.